Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to import products or items in Xero. So for that purpose we'll click on business and here we'll get option of products and services. Okay, so you can see I have already created one product here. Okay, now to create new product manually you need to click on new item option, as you can see here, and to import products we'll click on import, then we'll click on items. So this is the process by which we can import items in Xero. Okay, so we have to download a template CSV from here and we have to fill up with product details and we'll import it to Xero. Fine. So here it is mentioned that up to 1000 items can be imported each time. So I have already downloaded that file and already filled up with some products. Let me show you. As you can see here, you have to remember that item code must be unique. Okay, I have just entered item code and item name. If you require, you can enter purchase description, unit price and all the things. Fine. Now let's close this file and import to Xero. I'll click on select file, then I'll select the file and open. Now I'll click on next. 9 of 9 items will be imported. Complete import. So as you can see, all items has been imported successfully. Okay, if you want to delete the items, then you can do it from here. Okay, and you will click item. Okay, whenever you will click on item, you will get this kind of display from where you can edit the items. You can change the name and all the things. So from here you can change the name, you can enable track inventory item option. Okay, you can enter purchase the full price and all the things from here. So in this manner we can import products or services in Xero. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.